I honestly don't know, but my setup is immaculate. This is the biggest flex a developer can have in 2026. Who hasn't been in Python hell? Bro, does this code run on your Mac? What about the versions? Seeing those red errors gives me instant anxiety. Compiling from source, missing OpenSSL, pip conflicts. I used to spend the whole afternoon trying to look like a pro, but I was just fixing bugs in the tools themselves. But ask me now, I'll just show you this. I don't know the details, but my environment is smooth. Look at this operation. Open Surf Bay. Need Python 3.8? Click Install. Want to try the new features in 3.11? Click again. 2 clicks. System variables? Auto-configured. Paths? Aligned. I don't care how it works. The progress bar hits 100%. And I'm ready to code. It gets better. Friends ask, where do I store the data? How do I install Docker? I used to give a 30-minute lecture on ports. Now? I don't know, but this light is green. My SQL MariaDB. One-click services are live. Forget about port conflicts or daemon processes. Think it's too simple to be stable? Watch this. Environment set. Dependencies installed. Script. Running. Data flows right into the DB. Honest truth, I used to think real devs fought with config files, but we write tools to save time, not to become sysadmins. Stop wasting your afternoon. Let the tool do the dirty work. So next time, just say, I don't know, my environment is immaculate.